Bullish Anchor Protocol cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 39 cents and 85 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ANC could reach 39 cents by 2025. Bearish Anchor Protocol market cost expectation for 2022 is 7 cents. Anchor Protocol presentation. You've come to the ideal locations assuming you're searching for Anchor Protocol value expectations and need to know where the Anchor Protocol cost will go from here on out. We'll analyze Anchor Protocol's verifiable information, market patterns, and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from here on out. Kindly remember that this guess and some other expectation ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market experts. Not to add that it is hard to predict whatever exact. In any case, we will really bend over backward. How about we start with the Anchor Protocol value forecast? What is the Anchor Protocol? One of the essential inspirations for the making of digital currencies, Anchor Protocol endeavors to accomplish the depegging of the Terra USD stablecoin and ensuing breakdown of the Luna digital currency. Be that as it may, made it be shaken, and it was a central point. Individuals that marked us got a 19.5% payout from the Anchor Protocol. However, toward the beginning of May 2022, a few huge financial backers pulled out their possessions, causing the amount of us put in Anchor to decline. Different financial backers were then incited to pull out their USD because of this thump on influence. This brought about a run that depegged USD and drove down the cost of Luna. Decentralized finance, frequently known as DeFi, is the major rule behind a few blockchains and digital currencies. It depends on the perception that there are a bigger number of individuals with web access than financial balances. DeFi is intended to give clients admittance to ordinary banks' administrations without expecting them to submit to a particular power. Credits are one assistance given by banks that can be worthwhile for the people DeFi is attempting to reach. The idea that credits might be made by means of decentralized finance, and especially Bitcoin, can possibly cause a ton of clamor, albeit Compound and other digital currencies are specialists in this field. The issue of whether a cryptographic money could help buyers give credits rather than getting them actually must be replied. The Anchor Protocol steps in as of now. The Luna digital currency might be acquired in restricted amounts utilizing Anchor, which works on the Land blockchain. Borrowers can involve their own advanced resources as security. The Anchor Protocol token is granted to supporters of the Land pool. Individuals can contribute ANC to the acquiring pool to procure interest, which is paid out in ANC too. Individuals who own Anchor Protocol Bitcoin successfully have a digital currency investment account, which is one more ordinary bank choice that DeFi fans wish to exploit. At a certain point, the protocol was an intriguing possibility since it paid out a sizable amount of interest. Yet, on June 8, 2022, Anchor clients chose to stop the two its acquiring and getting abilities after its part in the depegging of the USD stablecoin. The Land blockchain and the Luna digital money were both made by Korean crypto business people Daniel Shin and Do Kwon, who likewise sent off the coin. The money entered the open business sectors in WOC 2021, and the protocol was at first presented in mid-2021. ANC isn't a coin, however a token rather, on the grounds that it runs on the Land exemplary blockchain. Despite the fact that inferences to things like an Anchor Protocol coin cost estimate or an ANC coin value expectation might show up, they are completely mistaken. Anchor Protocol essential investigation. As financial backer confidence in the biological system hit an unequaled low with the breakdown of the algorithmic stablecoin USD, Land was left in a dubious circumstance. The current chain will keep on being named Land Exemplary, while the new chain will be called Land. Partners in Luna Exemplary, proprietors of Luna Exemplary, and proprietors of USD will all get airdrops of new LUNA2 tokens. Anchor Protocol specialized examination. Regardless of whether it is hard to produce 100% exact specialized examination for the ANC coin, TradingView's strong specialized investigation capability permits clients to see the consolidated Anchor Protocol trade rating for the given time span progressively. The NCI USD investigation depends on the most generally utilized specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Anchor Protocol current cost. Anchor Protocol is as of now worth 8 cents USD. ANC has moved 1.85% as of now with an exchanging volume of $38,766,026. Anchor Protocol is as of now positioned 467 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $30,714,248 USD. Anchor Protocol value forecast 2022. Anchor Protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ANC cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 13 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. averaging 12 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ANC is supposed to have a base worth of 10 cents. Anchor Protocol Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Anchor Protocol ANC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ANC will before long outperform 21 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ANC's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ANC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 17 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 19 cents. Anchor Protocol Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 30 cents and ANC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ANC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 28 cents and a low of 26 cents in 2024. Anchor Protocol Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Anchor Protocol effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the ANC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ANC will be green in 2025. The ANC is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 39 cents, with a base cost of 35 cents and a typical cost of 36 cents. Anchor Protocol Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ANC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 45 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 43 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ANC has a most extreme value worth of 48 cents. Anchor Protocol Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 54 cents. On the off chance that ANC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 56 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ANC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 52 cents. Anchor Protocol Value Forecast 2028. While ANC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 61 cents and a yearly cost close above 65 cents in 2020. Anchor Protocol Value Expectation 2029. Anchor Protocol Value Expectation 2030 makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ANC cost in 2030 is projected to be 85 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 82 cents.